Hey guys, this is the simplest way to recover any missing funds on your Trust wallet. Alright, let me assume I decide to delete Velala token right there. That's about 3 point something dollar. Alright, now let me assume that fund is missing from my wallet. What I need to do is you go to your smart chain, copy the smart chain address, then go to your browser, type BSC scam, paste the smart chain address, and then when you paste the smart chain address, scroll all the way down to where you see token, click on it. You will see the token you're looking for in the list of the tokens on the wallet address. Click on it, copy the contract ID, and then go to your Trust wallet and add it manually the way you do add token. Add it as a custom token. Once you paste it right there, it will automatically just appear, or if it doesn't, add it as a custom token and then you have your token back. Subscribe for more content like this.